What is it? Y'all know I got a YouTube camera and a camera that I save, that I download. For me. I don't know, YouTube, everything, rules may change. My videos may be kicked off, bummed away, you know. Get your chair. Get your weights. Line up if you're walking back and forth. All the things. And let's get to pedaling. Whew, here we go. Yeah. Do you like it this way? One camera is good. Y'all work with me here. At the last minute, at the last of the minutes, at the ending of the minutes, y'all keep pedaling. At the ending of the minutes, before I was supposed to go live, I said, oh goodness, you were supposed to turn this bike around. See, to me, it's important y'all see my feet moving, not so much my body. Because somehow, for me, I'm thinking, even if you just surf through and see an old lady in sausage orange pants pedaling, you'll say, oh man, I can pedal too. I can pedal too. You know what I mean? What you gonna do? So, hey, how do you like this way? I went to see more on the bike than me. I don't know, maybe as I get older, I want to see more me. And right now, it's a work in progress. But I figure this is the most scary side. You know? When I lean back, and just scooch up. Remember the word scooch? Scooch over, scooch up, scooch to the side. That just means slide your butt some. Scooch over to the left. That means just slide your butt to the left. You ain't got to get up and walk on it. Just slide your butt. Scooch. So I scooted. This is also scooted. Scooch and scooted. The English language, huh? We going with this music, which is our 1 hour upbeat background. That's what we're going with, because that's the only thing that outside of YouTube doesn't get cut as far as music is concerned. And it is duty free, copyright free, and all that free. Bad, right? It's more important that you see my knees moving than see my face, right? I know someone's missing. Hold on, y'all. Keep peddling. Keep peddling. I usually do this before. Hi, Mr. Windows. My bad, homies. Please like, comment, share. Tell a friend, tell an auntie, tell an uncle, tell a cousin, first, second, and third cousin. Oh, little puppy gotta get in on that. Whew. Next week we'll be back in the basement. On the treadmill. In the basement. Walking through my cherry blossoms. I didn't move the music close to me. That's why you're hearing the puppy. Cool air makes all the difference in the world. I love the cool air. to share, tell a friend, tell an auntie, tell an uncle, tell a grandma, tell a grandpa. I'm pulling my hands behind the chair. Yeah. Oh. I'll be right back. Y'all know we're on a break. Drink your water. Or go let out some water. Or keep pedaling. The best thing, if you need to get water out your system, out your body, the best thing in the world, honey, is jumping on a bike with a tight pair of pants. Whew, let me take a sip. Whew. Yeah. I wanted to move this. Y'all keep pedaling. Y'all know I just turned the bike around and I'm trying out stuff. See, I'm thinking this way. This is the way I want to go. I'm working on it. It's a work in progress. It's a work in progress, y'all. Ain't that too bad? Backyard and cars are warming up. Instead of a window full of cool air, I'm getting a window full of exhaust.
There's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never.
Some tells me this is the FP cut.
And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. Moving on, moving on. I know times are There's no one I can turn to. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on. We're moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. We're moving on. We're moving on.
Give me a minute. All right. All right. My new direction, no, is messing up my flow. Hey y'all, let's get some finger. I know. Oh, that old lady, she does those finger exercises. Who needs finger exercises? I found out if you don't use it, you lose it. And that's how it was with working out with the trainer, Johanna. She was assessing me, but she had me do things that I have muscle memory of. And since she worked me out on Saturday, I can't tell you how good my body has been feeling. How happy my body has been. She touched muscles that I haven't touched on in over 2 years. When I went into quarantine, there was an orange turd that they named the 45th president. And I've been in quarantine since. So, you know, but who needs fingers exercises? We do. You don't use it, you forget. You forget. Stop trying to get him run away from being old. Yes. This is the life experience. The matter and energy come together, and then the matter dies and the energy separates. And they separate. It's just how it is. But in the process, instead of being angry at getting old, understand how to work in the limits of the situation. If you don't use your fingers, they will become stiff. If you don't use them, you don't type no more like you had to type 70 words a minute. You don't got to do that no more. But your fingers still got to move like you're typing 70 words a minute. You got to move your fingers like that because that's what you've been doing for the past 60-something freaking years. So, you can talk about me and my finger exercises, but I know a little something. And I always done my finger exercises. Well, let's say once over 40. I was doing them before I didn't know it. I played handball. In the city, we didn't have paddles. That cost money. We could barely afford the balls. So we played handball. My hands is always used to doing something. Holding on to the rail in the subway. Holding on the bus. Always doing something. And now that they don't have to do that, I don't want them to forget what they're supposed to be doing. So that's why the old lady always includes the finger exercises. And at that point, you can turn away. I always try to do it at the end, so y'all know how to shut me down. Please like, comment, share, tell a friend. And I thank you for the support. Yes, indeed. Lord knows I do's. Lord knows I do's. Like, comment, share, tell a friend, tell an uncle, tell an auntie, tell everybody. And I'll see you back tomorrow at 7. We listen to royalty-free music and I pedal. And you jump on your bike and pedal. Or you do whatever exercise you got to do. Thanks for the support and I hope I'm supporting you. Love you. See you tomorrow.